If you're still confused, don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll clarify everything and you will be able to finalize a diet framework for the next 14 days or so. So please grab a pen and paper, get yourself a black coffee, chai, matcha tea, whatever you like, and let's begin. So step 1 is decide whether you want to follow intermittent fasting or not. Make a decision right now. It's only for a short time. You'll only know if it's right for you once you give it a try. Step 2, decide how many meals you'll eat daily. So for simplicity, let's consider all snacks as meals. For example, you might eat breakfast, lunch, dinner with no snacks in between. That's 3 meals total. Or you might choose breakfast and dinner, no lunch, and 2 snacks. That's 4 meals total. Please note, 0 to low calorie beverages under 100 calories don't count as meals. These include black coffee, English breakfast tea, apple cider vinegar, coconut water, ajwain water, ginger tea, and so forth. You can have as many of these as you like. Now, based on your chosen number of meals, write down the timing for each. Be very specific. Let's take an example. Let's say you wake up at 7 a.m. You consume 1 to 2 gut healthy beverages like coconut water, ginger water, ajwain water, whatever you like. Then at 9 a.m. you have your gut healthy breakfast, or 11 a.m. if you prefer a late breakfast like me. Next, consider when you usually have your second meal. If you are a random snacker, this habit needs to stop. We are going to schedule specific meal times and stick to them. For instance, you might prefer a light snack a few hours after breakfast around noon time. This could be a piece of fruit, mixed nuts with blueberries, or any of the 50 gut healthy snacks I've provided in a PDF. These snacks are not only tasty but only take a few minutes to prepare. So take a moment to decide on your second meal. You can pause here and review the snack options in the PDF. If you're unsure, you can select up to 2 snack options. I promise that these 15 to 20 minutes that you're spending with me in this module will make your life much easier. Folks, every successful person has a set routine. They don't think about what to eat. Instead, they have a clear meal plan. They decide on 3 to 4 meals they prefer, establish a framework with meal timings, and stick to it. Over time, they fine-tune the process. It's that simple. Now, looking back 10 to 15 years, I can recall just a few meal combinations that I've eaten over and over and over again. They're tasty, nutrient dense, and gut healthy, and I look forward to eating them every single day. I have no cravings because all my nutritional needs are met with these meal combos. I urge you to work on this seriously with me. Once you're done, more than 50% of the work is already complete. You know the path, and all that is left is to walk it. My goal with this program is to equip you with simple yet effective strategies to support you in creating personalized gut healthy diet plans that you can potentially stick with for life. Your ultimate goal should be to achieve a low score, ideally 0 or 1 on the gut health quiz. I hope you have already taken the quiz. Now consider your third meal. Would you prefer to focus on work around noontime, consuming only 0 calorie beverages so that you can enjoy a sumptuous dinner in the evening? Or would you rather eat more calories at midday and then end the day on a lighter note? Remember, 3 to 4 meals are ideal. I don't recommend 5 meals, but if you prefer very small meals every few hours, that's fine too. To each their own. For your third meal, decide if you want another snack or a full lunch. Refer to the meal combo PDF for lunch options. Please note that lunch and dinner options are provided together as they often have common ingredients. So let's do a quick recap. 6 to 9 a.m. gut healthy morning beverages of your choice. 9 to 12 p.m. a solid gut healthy breakfast. 12 to 3 p.m. decide based on your energy levels and hunger and your work profile. Okay? 3 to 6 p.m. and 6 to 9 p.m. plan your remaining meals. Remember, knowing what to eat isn't enough. You need to ensure all ingredients are in your fridge or pantry. Decide who will prep and cook the meals. We often have the knowledge but lack action. So plan everything thoroughly and stick to your schedule. I recommend choosing just one gut healthy breakfast and eating it for 14 days straight. The same thing you should do with your other meals. You can add variations after 14 days. I'll guide you through small changes required for phases 2 and 3 of this program in the upcoming videos. If you have any doubts, please do not hesitate to reach out to us for help.